So you want to rotate a object by X amount, a very specific amount. So there's a few different ways we can do this. So let's click N on our keyboard to pop this up. So we have the transformation. So let's say we want to rotate Z by 45. I can click here, click 45, and it rotates it by 45 degrees. Now let's clear that. So Alt R. Another way to do that is by clicking R, Z, so that's the axis we want, and then typing in the degree we want. So 4, 5. Now clicking, and there we go. So let's do that again. So Alt R, let's rotate on the Y axis, R, Y, 4, 5. And then clicking, it's rotating on the Y axis by 45 degrees. Let's do Alt R. The same thing can be done with scale. So if I do S, and then if I do 2, it scales it by 2. We can see it changed here. Alt R, Alt G, Alt scale. Now let's move it. So let's do G, Y, 2, click, and it moved it by 2 meters.